All right, we're going to be reviewing TRFs today. It's been a while since we've done these, and they are a really important part of AVID. I also want to be clear that we are going to attempt, it'll probably be in February, to do some actual tutorials, and so hopefully these TRFs will seem a little more legit or useful, purposeful once those begin. I don't know that we will be doing these as often as we did last semester. I'm thinking maybe once or twice a month instead of once a week. But I do want to review some things because some of us struggled with these. So remember that once we start the tutorials, we are going to use these TRFs as kind of a jumping off point. If it is your turn to present during a tutorial, you're essentially just going to present to us your TRF. So you need to tell us, your peers, enough information so that we can help you figure out your problem. When you are thinking of and looking for something to do your TRF over, find something that is a little bit confusing to you, but that you know something about. It doesn't need it, we don't want it to be something that you have no clue about. You need to know maybe a few steps or a few things about the problem so that you can point us in the right direction, but also not know enough that you know the answer already. You want to find something that you are hitting a wall on, that you're getting stuck somewhere on. So don't forget to fill out this first part. It should be pretty self-explanatory. This document I'm going over now is under the TRF analysis assignment, so make sure to use it to your advantage. This is all rubric stuff. You don't need to do anything with it. The topic or essential question is what you're learning in class. It's the broad thing you're learning in class. So maybe your TRF is going to be about a specific question that you're asked in or on a quiz in your English class, but the broad thing you're learning about is literary terms. So you might write, how do authors use literary terms in their writing? Your initial question is going to come directly from your textbook, from your notes, from your quiz, etc. So it's going to still deal with the topic or essential question, but it's going to be more specific. Make sure to tell us where this is from, your math textbook, your English notes, etc. Key academic vocab and definition associated with the topic in question. Let's say you're doing a TRF over math and you mentioned something about slope intercept form. Tell us what that is here. I might not be taking the same math class as you, and so I need you to help me figure out what you're talking about. What you already know about your question. What are some things, kind of some background information stuff that you already know about the problem that you are trying to solve or the question that you are trying to answer? Then I need you to show me the general steps that you know how to take. So maybe you know how to get to a certain point in the math equation, or you know how to do the first part of your English essay, but there's somewhere you're getting confused. Tell me what you have done so far before the confusion sets in. Lastly, and really guys, this is one of the most important pieces that some of you are missing. What is your point of confusion? Tell me specifically where you are getting stuck and what the actual question that you have is. So this isn't just a place to put, I don't know, or then I get stuck. Well, ask me a specific question because as your peer, I want to help you figure it out, but I need you to tell me what it is that you are struggling with. I would need you to tell me where you are getting stuck. Okay, so for today's assignment, you are just going to be looking over a TRF and kind of grading it, looking at both its strengths and weaknesses. Please use this how-to document to help you figure out where they are doing well and where they are struggling.